Hi guys, this is Spain Murashima Miyaken, Japan. Here is an entrance. Here before you can enter, you have to pay 3,800 yen for each adult only on holidays, and for children 3 years old to 11 years old. The fee for the whole day is also 3,800 yen starting 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. There are price change depending on the holiday season. The tickets included the rides and what you want to see inside. We can also take a picture with beautiful background, and there are also restaurants. They are a bit pricey but affordable naman for the budget. When it's a holiday like this in Japan, it's crowded because students are in school, so most of people who come here are families and friends, especially young people because it's summer vacation right now here in Japan. So there are often until summer, they have event is like fireworks, event and parades. At ito nga po ang ating makikita sa pagpasok nyo sa sa Spain Mura, guys. Ayan, marami po silang mga mayroon po silang event na ganyan, may dance show. Ayan, mga Spain, po ang karamihang staff dito, mga Spain din po, mga tao dito. Karamihan ay mga Spanish. Ayan, kaya Spain Mura kung tawagin ang Spain Mura Village. Ayan. At marami pong iba't ibang klaseng rides dito, guys. Wala na po kayong babayaran sa entrance, sa entrance ng rides dahil included na po siya sa ticket nyo. At dito nga po kami nag-try sa small boat. Makikita nyo yung mga view na magaganda dito. Ito nga po yung kanyang papasok dito, guys. Ayan ang kanyang entrance. Ayan yung kanyang view. Ayan, dito tayo. Pipila tayo dito, guys, sa small boat. Ito ang unahin natin. Yung mga ibang video po, see you sa next video. Ayan. Dito tayo, guys. Yan po ang aming ganap. Dito lang tayo pipila at waiting tayo dito hanggang sa may mabakanting boat na tayo ang next na sasakay. Ayan lang po, guys. Mabilis naman po yung andar niya, kaya mabilis naman tayong makakasakay agad dito. Hindi tayo masyadong maiinip sa paghihintay natin. Ayan lang, guys. See you in my next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.